To use the whole part of your own song as wake up alarm sound used in the sleep mode in Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then select sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Assuming that you already add your sleep schedule and set your alarm on, tap your sleep schedule and then tap alarm sound, tap ringtone, and then tap the plus icon. Now select the desired sound you like to use as your wake up alarm sound. Next, tap the color on off switch next to play selected highlight only to disable this option. By turning off this option, your phone will use the whole song as wake up alarm song. Tap done button and then tap the back icon twice, followed by tapping save button and then tap done button to save the change. Now your phone will play the whole part of the selected sound when wake up alarm in the sleep mode rings. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.